All right, hey folks, today I'm excited to share with you the Xfinity Adaptive Remote. That's our browser-based remote control solution that works on any tablet, any smartphone, and it meets customers where they are so they can use the assistive technologies that they know and love and trust to interact with their computer and control their TV. So that means a sip and puff device, like one of the big straws you see somebody using to drive a wheelchair. It could be keyboard only, it could be voice control software, really anything. Today I'm going to show you how to control it using just my eyes, right? So I don't have to be able to speak or touch a remote or do anything. No mobility, no dexterity, no voice. I can just use my eyes to control the system. So let me show you how it works. I've got a Surface Pro tablet. I've gone to remote.xfinity.com. I've logged in with my name and password and I've chosen this set-top box in my attic. And now on this tablet in my browser, I've got the representation of the voice remote, plus a couple extras here, like the ability to write commands, to type commands instead of saying them. So somebody with no voice at all can enjoy the power of voice commands and cruise through the whole system anywhere they need to get to with just those commands. And then I've got this Tobii Dynavox eye tracking device that mounts on a little magnetic bracket that goes on the Surface Pro, plugs in and is powered by USB. It's immediately recognized by the system as an eye tracking device, so my pupils become the mouse. This device uses IR light and onboard cameras in this little thing here to track where my pupils are moving, and that way my eyes become the mouse, and then I can either set it to blink or dwell on the button that I want to select it. So let's try it out. So I've got X1 here. I'm on the accessibility screen. By the way, you can say adaptive remote and get to the adaptive remote setup screen and learn everything you need there, even a QR code where you can bring it up on your device. So if I hold up the screen here, you can see that my eyes are controlling where the pointer goes. Now if I look at the Xfinity button, let's say, I dwell on that, the Xfinity main menu is going to come up. I can then arrow through it by looking at the arrow keys. And then I get to like settings if I want. I can go into OK and get into settings and hit the down arrow key and go through the settings menu. I'm not very good at typing on this, but you can imagine if this was the only way, say you had late stage ALS and you're used to typing on an on-screen keyboard using an eye tracker, you could do just about anything with this. Now this next feature is especially cool. This is our My Remote Custom Buttons feature. You go up to that hamburger menu there and you select My Custom Buttons, and then you can select to customize them. And from there, you can add from a library of the most popular voice commands and just turn those right into a button. So they're always there for you on your custom buttons screen. You can choose from things like controlling your Xfinity home lights, your favorite sports team, go right to your favorite channel. Really any voice command that you want to tie to a button, you can do that. You can even type in your own voice commands and make truly custom buttons by building them right from scratch. So this is just one more way that the Xfinity Adaptive Remote is meeting customers where they are. So that is the Xfinity Adaptive Remote at remote.xfinity.com. Also available to our syndication partners, including Cox and Shaw. Go check it out, remote.xfinity.com.